Today we're going to make our Grandma Marianne's Sicilian sesame crescent. This is a crisp, simple, buttery cookie that you're going to love. Crescent cookies came out of the oven. We've let them cool. It's a little different to know these cookies are done than other cookies because the color doesn't change a whole lot from when you put them in, but about 15 minutes, and I usually kind of test them with the middle of my finger just to see with one of them, just to make sure they don't depress too far. Make sure it doesn't feel raw inside.
Exactly, right. And along the way, the powdered sugar came in kind of as a Christmas cookie, but traditionally it's the sesame seed, and that is so good because...
Yeah, the sesame is really good. Let's take a bite.
Yeah, let's do. And show. Crunchy, right? On the outside, the seeds, right?
The sesame adds a nice crunch on the outside, and also like a bitter note to the flavor, to the flavor dimension.
Not a super sweet cookie dessert, which is one of the reasons I think it's so great, because you can find that anywhere.
And which is what Italian desserts are often like.
That's right. That's right. When we were growing up, at the end of a huge meal in New York with our whole family, all these kind of cookies would come out with these types of flavors, and the pot of coffee would go on, and that's how the meal would end. And that's why these are really special to us. So you can get your coffee on, have your grandma crescent cookie, you're good to go. So good. And vanilla.
Just pour some in. I don't have the measuring spoons. Sometimes I do this.
Oh, okay.
Just so you don't like dump a bunch in it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I meant to put this one on. That's a block. I thought I had the lock on because it's backwards. Oh,
So let's
God.
go